questions from miscellaneous exercise of integration together. Question number 36 and question number 37. 36 is a one-step answer question. So here integral minus 1 to plus 1 x power 17 cos power 4x dx. When you look at this question, I should remember, or you should remember, integral minus a to a f of x dx can become 0 if f of x is an odd function. If the given function is an odd function, integral minus a to plus a f of x dx will become 0. Even function means you will write 2 times 0 to a f of x dx. Two versions are there. Let us see if any of the option will work here. You see, cos x is already an even function. Cos power 4x is surely an even function, because cos of minus x is cos x only. It won't become negative. Whereas x power 17 is an odd function. So that x power 17, when you replace x with a negative x, that will bring a negative for the whole function. So odd into even will become odd. So that is purely an odd function. So therefore the answer is 0. Okay. Now look at the next question. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sine cube x dx. You need to prove it as 2 by 3. Sine cube to integrate, we don't have a direct method. So we will use one of the 11th standard formula which you studied. We studied sine 3a is equal to 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. From there I can make a formula. This is what I mean. See, sine 3a is equal to 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. From here, if I find sine cube a, what it will become? Sine cube a will be 3 sine a minus sine 3a divided by 4. So this I am going to apply here. So I will keep this 1 by 4 outside. Integral 0 to pi by 2. This I can write 3 sine x minus sine 3x. This is what my left side's 2 by 3 we are going to prove. You don't look at that. We will look at this. Now let us integrate 1 by 4. When you integrate this one, you will get 3 sine x integration is minus cos x. So minus 3 cos x minus this also minus cos 3x. So minus minus plus cos 3x. Then since it is 3x, you have to divide by 3. Here it's only 1. So you don't need to divide by 1. Okay. Then this you need to put the limit 0 to pi by 2. Okay. Now let us see what it will happen. What will happen when we substitute? When you put pi by 2, cos pi by 2, cos 90 is 0. Cos 3 pi by 2 is also 0. So when you apply this pi by 2, this will be 0. Minus, now let us put lower limit. Minus 3 into cos pi by 2 is, sorry, cos 0 we are applying. Cos 0 will be 1. Plus, here 1 by 3. This is also cos 0. Cos 3 into 0, cos 0 only. So that is also 1. So it comes like this. So this will be, ultimately this is equal to 1 by 4. Here 0. This will become what? When you open the bracket, this will become 3. And minus 1 by 3. So when you work out this, 9 minus 1. So 1 by 4 into 8 by 3. So when you cancel, you get here 2. So final answer is 2 by 3. That's what they asked you to prove. So please remember this identity. I will remind you one more thing. If cos cube x comes, how do we do? You should remember this formula. Cos 3a is equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. From here I can make a formula. Cos cube a is equal to what? Cos 3 cos a plus cos 3a by 4. Please, you can relate the both and study. Compare it. Both are 3, if it is cos cube a, 3 cos a plus cos 3a. If sine cube a, 3 sine a minus sine 3a. So there is a plus minus. And the rest is the same function divided by 4. So using this, you will be able to integrate cos cube, sine cube, this. Okay. Good. Okay, we will be seeing tan cube also.